This is your daily dose of AI. Ever wondered how AI models manage to give such accurate and contextually relevant answers? Let's dive into the fascinating world of Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG. Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, emerged from the need to enhance the accuracy and reliability of generative AI models. The roots of this technique go back to the early 1970s with the advent of question-answering systems. Fast forward to the mid-1990s, and services like Ask Jeeves popularized these systems. However, it wasn't until 2020, with the work of researchers like Patrick Lewis at Facebook AI Research and University College London, that RAG became a well-defined concept. This breakthrough was driven by the limitations of large language models, LLMs, in providing accurate and up-to-date information. So, what exactly is Retrieval Augmented Generation? In simple terms, RAG enhances the capabilities of generative models by incorporating relevant information retrieved from a large external corpus or database. It combines two main components: a retrieval module that searches for and retrieves relevant documents based on the input query, and a generative module that uses these documents to generate a more accurate and contextually rich response. For example, some models or services include a web search module that searches websites and uses that information as documents to provide fresh, up-to-date answers. Similarly, you can upload a PDF, and the model can use that document to answer questions about its content. Why is RAG such a game changer in the world of natural language processing? Traditional LLMs, while powerful, often struggle with providing precise and current information. They can produce hallucinations, incorrect or nonsensical answers. RAG addresses this by ensuring that the generative model has access to up-to-date and specific knowledge, significantly improving the accuracy and reliability of the responses. This makes RAG particularly valuable for tasks that require detailed and factual information. The impact of RAG on NLP and large language models has been profound. It has revolutionized multiple areas. 1. Question answering. By retrieving relevant documents, RAG provides precise answers to complex questions. 2. Customer support. Automated systems can deliver accurate and contextually relevant responses, enhancing user satisfaction. 3. Content creation. Writers and marketers can generate well-informed content using vast databases. 4. Research assistance. Academics and professionals can quickly access and summarize relevant studies and articles. These applications demonstrate how RAG combines the precision of retrieval-based methods with the fluency and creativity of generative models. Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, is a powerful technique that enhances the performance of large language models by combining retrieval-based and generation-based approaches. By incorporating relevant external information into the generation process, RAG can produce more accurate, relevant, and informative responses, making it valuable for a wide range of applications in natural language processing. Thanks for sticking around. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cool content. Have an awesome day.